One little lion roaring loud. Two big elephants walking proud. Three little frogs jumping on the ground. Four bright birds flying all around. Count, count, let's count today. Animals are here to play. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's count the animals and explore. 5 tiny turtles, slow and neat. 6 tall giraffes with long, long feet. 7 little monkeys swinging from trees. 8 busy bees buzzing in the breeze. 9 fluffy bunnies hopping fast. 10 bright fish swimming past. Now we've counted all our friends. Let's start again. It never ends. Count, count, let's count today.